Good morning students. Now it's time for your mental maths class, and today we will be doing worksheet 11 and worksheet 12. So look at the sums. Add to find the answer. So 2 plus 8, 8, 9, 10. So put a 0 and then put 1 in the tens place. 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So put 1 in this tens place and 1 in the hundreds place. Next 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. So you don't have to carry, just you have to write on 8 as there is no carrying number. Next 5 plus 3 will be 8. So the answer is 8,810. The answer is 8,810. Now look at the next one. 7 plus 6 will be 13. So 3 in the ones place and 1 at the tens head. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 9 will be 18. So 8 in the tens place and 1 in the hundreds place. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 4 will be 13. So 3 at hundreds and 1 at the thousand place. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 will be 5. So the answer is 5,383. Next 8 plus 3 8 9 10 11. So 1 at the ones place and 1 at the tens. So we have to write down it's 11. So we have to write down 1 ones under the ones column and carry 1 10 to the tens column. Now we have to add the tens. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. 5 plus 3 will be 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So what you have to do? 8 you have to write down in the tens column. Next 4 in the 100. 4 plus 3 will be 6. So 6 in the hundreds column. Next 6 plus 1 7. 7 will be in the thousand column. So the answer is 7,681. Now look at the B. Arrange in columns and add. So first do one thing. First let us put the place value in the chart as we put ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So we have to arrange the numbers 3,548. Next is 2,613. Next is 1,089. Now look, first we have to add the ones place. 9 plus 3 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 8 will be 20. So write 0 at the ones column, under the ones column, and carry 2 tens to the tens column. Now 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 4 9, 10 11 12 13. 13 plus 2 13 14 15 15. So write it's 15. So 1 10 plus 5 will be 15 tens. So write 5 tens under the tens column and carry 100 to the hundred column. Now 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 will be 12. So what you have to write down? You have to write down 12. 2 at the 12, that is 2 at the hundreds column and 1 at the 1000 column. Now 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 7 at the 1000 column. So the answer will be 7250. Now look at this. Now here also you have to arrange the chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Arrange it. 4548, 2173, 1235. So first add from the ones column. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is how much? 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 5 will be 16. So write down 6 at the ones column, 16, and 1 tenth at the 1 tens column. Now add 4 plus 1 will be 5. 5 plus 7, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 3 will be 15. Write 5 at the tens column and 1 at the hundreds column. 1 at the hundreds column. So now you add that hundreds column. That is 100 plus 500 plus 100 plus 200 will be how much? 1 plus 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 will be 9. As there is no carrying number, so just you have to write down the 9 at the 100 under the hundreds column. Now you have to add the thousand place. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 will be 7. So the answer will be 7956. Now you do excess addition, worksheet 12, do as directed. So first arrange the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 1487, 3264. You have to add these two numbers. Now add 7 plus 4 will be how much? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So put 1 at the ones place and 1 10 at the tens column. Tens column. Now add the tens. How much? 8 tens plus 6 tens. 8. 1 10 plus 8 10 will be 9 tens. 9 tens plus 6 tens. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 tens. 15 tens. So how we have 1? So you have to put that is 15 tens. So write 5 under the tens column and carry 100 to the hundreds column. Now 4 plus 1 will be 5. 5 plus 2 will be 7. So write down 7 at the under the hundreds column. Now 3 plus 1 will be 4. So write down 4 at the thousand column. Now again add this one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 3264, 1487 plus. Now 7 plus 4 will be 11. Write down 1 at the ones column and 1 tens at the tens column. 1 tens plus 6 tens plus 8 tens will be 15 tens. So write down 5 at the tens column and 1 at the hundreds column. So 100 plus 200 plus 400 will be 700. So write down 7 at the hundreds column and 3000 plus 1000 will be 4000. So now look at the sums. See, we have added 1487 plus 3264. The answer is 4751. And here we have done 3264 plus 1487. The answer is the same, 4751. Now these are known as the order of addendums. See, by changing the order of addendums like this, these two numbers are addends. The sum does not change. This is the sum and these are the addends. These are called addends. So whenever the addends, by changing the, see here we have changed these two, look at these two sums. We have changed the order of addends, but the sum is the same. So always remember, by changing the order of the addends, again I am telling you, by changing the order of the addends, the sum does not change. Now look at the question. There is in the answer same for both the sums given. Yes, the answer is the same. Name the property of addition. See, now this type of addition where only there is no grouping, just the two addends are given and the sum is the same. So in this case the property is called the commutative property. It is the commutative property. Again I am repeating, in such type of addition property, that if there is no grouping, in the addition, there is addends, and the sum remains the same. This such type of property of addition is known as commutative addition, commutative property. Now look at the next sums. I am telling you, if we add the addends, now see, look at these two sums. If we add the addends by grouping them in any order, the result will be the same. The result will be the same. We are grouping this. I will add first ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. First we have to add this 1442 plus 2689. So 9 plus 2 will be 9, 10, 11. 1 at the ones place and 1 at the tens place. So 1 10 plus 4 tens, 5 tens, 5 tens plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 tens. So 1 at the 3 at the tens place and 1 at the hundreds place. So 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 600 will be 800. Now 3 plus 2, 3000 plus 2000 will be 5000. So 5831. Now you have to add this number, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 5831 plus 4134. Now let us add 3 plus 1 will be 4 plus 1 will be 5. 3 tens plus 3 tens will be 6 tens. 800 plus 100 will be 900, and 5,000 plus 4,000 will be 9,000. So the answer is 9,965. Okay. Now let's do this grouping. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 3,142 plus 4,134. If we add these two numbers, ones, tens, 2 tens plus 4 tens will be 6 tens. 2 tens plus 4 ones will be 6 ones. 4 tens plus 3 tens will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 tens. 100 plus 100 will be 200, and 38,000 plus 4,000 will be 4, 5, 6 and 7,000. 7,276. 276 plus 9 plus 2,689. Now if we add these two numbers, see, 6 ones plus 9 ones will be 15. Carry 1 to the tens place. 1 tens plus 7 tens, 8 tens. 8 tens plus 8 tens will be 16 tens. So 6 at the tens place and 1 at the hundreds place. So 100 plus 200, 300. 300 plus 600 will be 900. 900, and 7,000 plus 2,000 will be 9,000. So the answer is 9,965. Are the answers same for each of those sums given in the sets 1 and 2? Yes, it is same. Name this property. See, I'm telling you, if we add the addends by grouping them in any order, the results are the same. These two sums, you look at the sum, they are in grouped. Okay, they are in group, but still when we add these, the sums, when we add the whole addend, the answer always remains the same. So, and this property, by when we group the addends, and this property is known as the associative property. This is known as the associative property. So we have finished this one, exercise 11 and 12. The rest of the sums do in your mental maths book. Thank you.